Hey, man.
It fell apart. It was 12 inches, but it fell apart. Yeah, somebody took my NXT.
There you
It
go.
was a serious competition. Now it's a joke.
Are you fighting? Wait, do you have any fireworks? Do you have any firecrackers?
You have a crap load of poppers.
Yeah, wrong. Yo, but
Go forward, straight on the defender.
Lift up.
That's in the corner.
Trouble.
Go forward.
Nice.
Let's go. That way.
Perfect.
There you go. Yeah.
Oh! No! Oh, wow.
Interesting way to get broken.
That totally works.
Daniel, to your left.
Be easy with that thing.
What's the ball?
Easy.
To the right. To the right.
It's to the left. A little more right. A little more. There you go. That's it. Boom.
Oh.
Nice robot in the world.
Backwood. I got two.
Backwood, man. Turn it around.
Backwood.
No, man, backward.
I'm just checking how the heck am I?
He's just taking a look. He's using the periscope.
You should go to my robots.
Momentum.
No, we can just push it that way. We don't deserve it. Don't go that way. Good. They can push it too.
Turn around.
Turn around and see what's going on.
Manuel, pick this thing up. You can't push it.
Oh.
Yeah, there you go.
Nice.
Pick the thing up.
Oh.
Pick it up and move it.
Lift it up. Oh, please do it. Please do it. Do it.
Pick up the whole robot.
More than 5. Lift it. There you go. Keep moving. Go. Just move.
Oh.
Alright, if this board somehow stops the balls from getting in there, I get points.
Manuel.
Oh. Oh.
Back up. Just back up.
Back up. Come this side.
No.
Oh. Dang it.
No, pull the other way.
Manuel, no!
Just go straight back.
Go, shoot.
Hang in there, Plank.
I want that rat trap to go off so bad.
No, you're good.
No, go. There, you're right behind you. Do it. Lift. Yeah.
Turn around.
Lift.
Back up.
Let go.
Now, do it.
Do it.
No, forward.
Go, lift.
Just an inch.
Forward, just a little bit.
Go forward.
Do it. Do it.
Forward.
No. Forward a bit.
Forward.
No.
Go. Perfect.
Go. Do it.
Go forward. Forward.
Now.
Go all one time.
Oh!
That looks like a